You did that? You were jumping with daddy earlier. Why it's empty? How come it's empty? Oh wow. Yeah, I found it. Do you wanna go for display now? Are you gonna sell all that? No, man. I think you're gonna sell it. Somebody will buy it. Can we buy it? Oh, Julian, Julian, Jolene, Jolene. Okay, next. Next. Who's next? Hey, hey, no, not that one. No. Okay, Julian, your turn. Pack your stuff now. Who owns that box? Is that all the color purple only? What else the other color? What Jade, what color you did Jade took one? Oh, really? There's no green? Hello, Isa. It matches your vibe. Jilana, what matches your vibe? You got your wish already. Your friends are coming. Who's coming? Who's coming? Yeah. Who? Oh, Jilana, Grace, and Marilla are coming. Huh? Wow, Julene. I'm gonna tell that to grandma. Grandma is gonna have a say. Mm. Why? Oh wow. Who? No, Jade can play with Jilana. Yeah, I like that color. Okay, your turn. Mm. You can go in the middle now. All right. Just go there now in the middle. Okay, go now, Julian, in the middle. Okay, just do that. I'm not. She's not in the. Just say.